Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And my today's YouTube video is regarding a topic that I wanted to talk about for a really long time. But today I'm finally going to do it because I'm really feeling low. Day by day, it's getting very difficult for me because of my nature. I'm an introvert, and because of being an introvert, I've had a very hard time in my college to adjust, and also in my jobs in the past, and now in my current job as well. I feel that when you're an introvert in a workplace, I don't know why, but it's like you have to work 10 times harder and you have to excel at everything so that no one can come and point fingers at you. But when you are an extrovert in a workplace, even if you're not very good at your work, even if you're not the best performer, you'll always get away with it. And it's because extroverts, they open up, they talk to people, they communicate, because of which people understand them better. But when it comes to introverts like me, I feel that people find it very difficult to understand me. Most of the people think that we introverts, we are very arrogant, we're very haughty. No, it's not like that. And because of my nature, I've gone through so much in the past few years. Everywhere I go, let's say it's a new place, I keep hearing from people that, oh, you don't talk. Why are you not talking? Oh, she doesn't talk. I don't know. I think people even think that I'm weird. There's something terribly wrong with me. We introverts, we're always judged and we're always in the eye of scrutiny. It's just so sad for us. I feel that no one tries to understand us. It's not like I've always been like this. When I was young, I was quite talkative. I used to talk to everyone. Over the years, I've become a bit reticent, and it's all because of the situations I've gone through, also in the surroundings I've lived in. Like in my college, it was a very judgmental environment, and I had a very difficult time to survive there. Everyone was trying to be a perfectionist. I don't know why. And everyone was like wearing a facade, trying to be someone they were not. Because of that, I don't know, but like initially, I was quite open and I used to talk to people. I was not really an introvert. But then slowly, I was constantly being judged, scrutinized, and not being accepted for the way I was. I decided to open up less and talk less and become reticent to survive, which has made me a really big introvert by now. And honestly speaking, I'm an ambivert. And for me, it's like I do talk a lot, but then I have to be comfortable and I need that positive energy coming from you to actually open up to you. And most people don't understand that. And I didn't get that energy from everyone. I don't feel comfortable around everyone. That's the sad part. It's not like I can talk to anyone and everyone. No, it's not like that. But yeah, I mean, I get judged a lot. And in my current work, I'm not having a very good relation with my trainer because I'm an introvert, and initially I did hesitate to talk to her and ask her doubts and questions. I feel that introverts face a lot of challenges in the workplace. Sometimes I even feel like the corporate world is not for people like us. The sad part is that people don't even try to understand that it's a nature. You have to, in a way, accept it. It's not like we can change our nature. Like, no, it's not possible. I don't know. There's a lot of discrimination, and people just can't accept introverts like us. And not just in the workplace, I think everywhere it becomes a challenge for us to survive, to live. I think introverts get sidelined a lot. targeted a lot. People take us for granted because they know that we're not going to say much, we're not going to speak up, we get bullied easily. Sometimes I feel like my life would have been much easier, much better if I would have been an extrovert, if I would have been really outgoing. I don't know how to change myself, honestly. I really don't know how to change myself. Today, I'm really feeling low, and that is why I wanted to talk about this. So, what do you guys feel about introverts? If you are an introvert, how do you honestly deal with life in general? And if you are an introvert and if you have changed yourself, I don't know if that's even possible, but still, if you've been able to change your nature, how did you do it? And what suggestions do you have for people like us? By today's video is not a motivational video. I'm not here to give any advice because I'm feeling very lost and stuck. And I am asking for help from you people out there. Please share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, then do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.